Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to build a lead generation form in WordPress with Bitform. Let's get started. First, open your Bitform dashboard and click on the Create First Form button. Next, choose the type of form you want to create from here. For this tutorial, I will create a lead generation form. So I will use the blank form template. Now, give your form a name. Then, add the necessary fields from the left sidebar into the form builder, and customize them according to your needs. Once done, click on the Update button and copy the shortcode. Now go to your page and paste the shortcode into a shortcode block. Finally, publish it, and your lead generation form is ready to use. That's how you can easily create a lead generation form in WordPress with Bitform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.